Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you another app that I just came across this morning, and it is currently paying. Like, this app is new in Nigeria and it is currently paying. Hello guys, this is 1st of January and this is New Year 2023. I wish you guys the best of luck, more money to your account, more grace and more financial freedom to you. Okay, so let's get into the video. So if you look closely here, let me welcome new members and new subscribers. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to the channel. I share videos of how to make money online, best business ideas that you should do mainly in Nigeria. So if you look closely in this particular app I just found, the ratings are actually good on Play Store. As you can see, I was bought at home and downloaded online any software. I felt unreliable after downloading this several times. You can see this one now, the full star is complete, the full star is complete, and the full star is complete. Okay, so it shows you that this particular app is actually working and it is good. So look at what this person wrote right here. To find a job, I use the Earn Some Money app. This feedback is fast. I will notice to go for. Okay, as you can see that the feedbacks, they are 100% good. So let me tell you the name of this app. Name of this app is called 99 to make money anytime. So do not go ahead and download this app yet. If you check in the description of this video, you're going to find my referral link, or you're going to find my referral code that you're going to put when you've downloaded this app and you're registering. So during your registration process, you will be asked to put in a referral code. So it's like you copy my referral code and put in there, or you click on my referral link or copy my referral link, go to Chrome and load it, and then download the app using my referral link so that I can get a commission for introducing you guys into this platform. So if you have opened the platform and you have registered successfully using my registration link in the description box or my registration code, this is actually how the icon of the app actually looks like. I hope you guys are seeing it right here. So I'm going to be clicking on the app. So if I click on the app, this is actually what you are going to be seeing. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so this is actually the interface of the app to show you that the app is actually working legitimate. So this app is actually an investment platform, and the minimum investment is just 500 naira. Like, guys, this is actually what working. The minimum investment here is only 500 naira. So you can see it right here is only 500 naira, and today I'm going to be investing my money into this platform to show you guys that this platform is actually working well. Yeah, it's actually working here. The minimum investment is actually what, 500 naira. Let me pick the score. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the minimum investment is 500 now, but I'm not going to go for the minimum investment because it is only valid for 1 day now, and after 1 day you're going to get 625 now. So that's so low. So the one I decided to go for is this one that costs 1,500 now, and it is valid for 7 days, and at the end of 7 days you're going to be getting 1,920 naira as a return of investments, right? So that's not good. That's so good. You're going to be getting 1,929. That's 429. That's what you're going to get after 7 days. So as you can see, I've already deposited in my account. As you guys can see, I've already deposited. If you're registered into this platform, you're going to get 275 naira for 200 naira for free. Then when you deposit a minimum of 1,000 naira, you're going to get 75 naira as a reward amount. So as you can see, I've already deposited 1,500 naira this morning, and now I'm going to invest right now. So if I click on this adopt, in this particular one I want to go for, it's going to load. Okay, then I'm going to click on this adopt right here and confirm. Okay, as you can see, it is actually confirmed. Investment successful. You get 1,920 naira after 7 days, and maybe after 7 days I'm going to come back to this platform and I'm going to show you guys my withdrawal from this platform, and we are going to check if this is actually going to work. Feel free to invest minimum of 500 naira, but me, I decided to go for 1,500 naira because it is reliable, and as you guys can see, the time has already started counting. So this is a very free and legitimate platform. You can come over here and you can make huge amount of money out of this. As you can see, the reward amount has gone to my current balance. It means that once I get the 1,920 naira income, I'm going to add it up to this other one and I'm gonna make a withdrawal. As you can see, this platform works successfully well. Feel free to register on this platform and let's make money together. Thanks for watching and stay safe.